I completely agree with you. For instance, in the district judiciary, we have very standard and well-established rules which allow for maternity leave, for leave at different stages of a woman's career. When a child is, say, for instance, appearing for a 10th board examination or a 12th board examination. So where you have structured rules which provide for a level playing field for women, women are able to really respond to the challenges of the profession. The problem arises in the unstructured market-based system, which is the private space in the legal profession, where you have individual lawyers recruiting juniors. There's no overall structure, in the sense that there is no overall regulation on how you will treat women in the workplace, because you don't have one large corporate entity like a big law firm only employing women. So where you find that, the interface of women in the legal profession is with a structural organization like the judiciary or law firms, there you would find that more and more women are extremely, successful. On the other hand, when it comes to solo practitioners, how much will you pay? Will you stop paying a woman because she's on leave for 3 months in your chamber? She's gone on leave for 3 months because a parent is seriously unwell. A woman has gone on leave for 3 months because she has a child coming up to deliver. How do we ensure that, you have a more socially responsible and socially responsive legal profession? And that's therefore something which the law can do only to a certain extent. The law is not an answer to everything. The change has to come through and it has to take place within society.
Chief Justice